All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go with the lesson. Today we're going to start our first chapter in the user addition, use group addition, and the password. Adding the password to different users. I think we have done that previously, like creating some users, adding them to groups, and changing the password, but not that in depth as today. We're going to start with the first command, which is sudo to create this username Tyvon. So let's go with it. Sudo space user add space Tyvon. After adding the password, and then if we execute cat etc, then pass wd, you see now we have two different users. We have leaf and Tyvon. There you go. Now let's go ahead and do the following at this moment. I need to close this. I was creating a Ubuntu operating system in a flash drive. So that's basically the pop-up that we just received. I'm going to remove that flash drive at this moment. It should be there somewhere. There you go. All right, let's go with the lesson, guys. Boys and girls, let's do it. Let's do it. So we just created a new user called Tyvon, and how do we change the password? Remember that in order to change the password, we do the following. We execute sudo and then pass wd and then the name of the user. In this case is Tyvon. Then we add the password. I'm going to change the one for lead as well because I want to have a better one. The other one was very weak. It was lead as well. So I want to change it if possible. It's not letting me do it for some reason. It says leave. For some reason, it's not letting me change. Oh, it's a capital letter there. There you go. We have successfully changed the password for the two users, additional users. In this case, we have Tyvon and Leaf as the two users. It didn't let me change the password because it was in capital letter and it has to be like that in lowercase letter since we created the user that way. Let's continue with the step-by-step guide. And sudo add group, new group. Let me go ahead and create a group. So now if I execute cat /etc/group, hopefully we will be able to see the new group there. There you go. Amazing. Now let's go ahead and see if we can add Tyvon to this specific group. We are going to use the following command. We're going to copy and paste it in the terminal. Sudo user mod ag new group and then Tyvon. Now, if we execute the command, I think it was about groups and then Tyvon, if I'm not mistaken. There you go. Now he is in the new group. What if we want to add the leaf to this group? We just add her. Remember, it's in lowercase. So let's do groups, leaf with lowercase. There you go. What if we want to add Tyvon to the whale group? Not a problem. Let's do it. Whale group. Remember that it is actually, we have to type will, the name of the group first, and then the name of the user. In this case is Tyvon. Tyvon. There you go. There you go. Now it works perfectly. We were having some errors there. All right, let's go ahead and create a new user to continue our practice. What happens if we try to create a group, a practice group? Let's do so. Remember, if we type cat etc and then group, you will see the test tree created there successfully. Okay, I think we are pretty much done with the class. It was a pretty short lesson. I mean, we didn't have to cover that much in depth. It was from 3 to 6 minutes, so we have been able to cover most of the lesson today. Please keep on practicing and running the commands as much as you can. Remember to repeat this lesson as many times as you need in order to become familiarized with the commands. And remember, practice makes perfect. All right, guys, it's been a pleasure. Take care and see you around.